We gotta get some gas before we hit the trail, right? So we don't go out on half a tank.
No!
Okay.
We want to go out on an empty tank.
Yep. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're in the Jeep. Oh, look, co-pilot today. Maddie and I are taking the Jeep out. We have the toboggan in the back. We loaded it up. It's January, it's cold. We're gonna head up into the hills to find some snow. We don't get a lot of snow in Victoria.
So what way do we want to go in?
No, we don't get a lot of snow.
Yeah.
Right and go to the 222, or we can go all the way up this gravel road here.
You know, we don't really get a lot of snow in Victoria, and we have a toboggan. So we've got Jeeps. There's hills close to us that are cold, and we're gonna go find our way, work our way up into the hills. Get it in 4-wheel drive. Come along with us, and let's have some fun today. Yeah, we haven't been out. You haven't been out off-roading this year. Just so you know, it's January 4th. We're already into the snow, it seems. Just a little bit of just a light dusting, but there is some snow.
Just a little bit.
Got a little bit here. Is this enough to toboggan in though?
Now this is not enough to toboggan in.
To toboggan?
Yeah, to toboggan.
Okay.
We're probably gonna go a bit farther to find some more.
We need like, how much do we need? Like this much?
Yeah. We need like this much.
Yeah, okay.
And then I can
We'll see what we can find.
Sorry, Maddie, we might have to go back.
To go back to that other route. With the first snow stop spot, say that 10 times fast. With the first snow stop spot, kind of a bust. I think we need to get some more elevation if we're gonna have any chance of tobogganing today with Maddie and toboggan and the Jeeps. Let's go get some deeper snow. What do you think, Mads? Is there enough puddles out here today for us?
Yeah.
Is enough of them?
Yeah, there's like...
It's been raining so much here the last few days that the trails are just so... Whoa, steep one. We have windshield wipers.
Yeah.
Just kind of making our way through the hills, trying to get some more elevation to get into this snow. Don't forget, guys, I do upload new videos every week, from off-road vlogs to parts reviews to off-road news. So think about hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And there's a new one every week. Look at that, look at that.
It's snowing.
Oh, it's snowing up here. What do you see? What's coming out of the sky?
Snow! Snow does turn into water.
It does. all of a sudden, just like that, we're in 2 feet of snow.
Jumbo fight!
Oh, I don't know if you want that. This is more snow than I was expecting, but and look at the snow coming down here.
When Liam came up here last year, we made a snowman and we put it on the Jeep and we took a picture.
That's right.
With us together. It was at the front of the Jeep.
That's right. We'll put a link up to that video in the corner so you can watch the vlog where we made snowman last year. Wow, the snow is really coming down. I don't know if you guys can see just how much snow is coming down, and Eric was messing around and has managed to get himself stuck in the trail. All right, let's go see what is going on with Eric up here. What are you doing?
Doesn't take much to get stuck.
No, snow is slippery out here. Whoa!
He's being stuck, that's what he's doing.
Look at this, it's like 2 feet off the trail. How embarrassing.
I don't think you'll be able to even pull me back.
Look at this snow, guys. It is coming down. Just wait a minute while Chris gives Eric a little tug to get out of the... Look at this. Holy. I need to switch to a waterproof jacket because this jacket is gonna be soaked. All right, this jacket should be a little bit better for staying dry. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. This is all in here. This is a lake. You can't even see the other side of it because it's so foggy.
It's actually just snow blind, not foggy.
No, yeah, like Eric just said, it's not fog. There's so much snow that we can't even see the other side of the lake. And you can't even see across it.
What's that big circle though?
So much snow. That's the water. That's where the water's kind of melted the snow. It hasn't stuck because maybe it's not frozen there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You want to point to it? Right there. There you go. See, that's just the water.
Do you see that little... Wait, can I have the camera for a minute? Okay. Do you see that little black line out there? That is the little pool.
Do a donut. What? Do a donut.
Don't do a donut.
What?
I think we'll break.
Even better. Show me your best snow angel. All right, so I would say that we achieved our objective of finding some snow. Now we gotta find a hill with snow on it. So what are we gonna do with a hill with snow on it, Maddie?
Toboggan down! Toboggan!
We're gonna get our toboggans out, hopefully. This is the first snow that Maddie's been in this year. We haven't had any snow at the house. Sometimes we get it in November or December, but here we are in the middle of January or start of January, no snow yet. We're gonna, I think, carry on, but the problem with the snow is we get stuck really easily. Ah, hey. And so we can't go too much farther on the trail. I would like to find a hill. If you've enjoyed the video so far, hit that subscribe button. I do upload new videos every week. Off-road vlogs, parts installs, parts reviews, and off-road news. And I would love to have you join us here. We just went over 5,000 subscribers, so think about hitting that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. This is about as far as Eric got here in these tracks before he turned around. Oh, yeah, careful. And then it gets really deep. And then our differential starts to get stuck.
And then view starts to sink.
That's the end of the road. All right, wouldn't be a day of off-roading without coffee. Stopped by in Starbucks. Brought my own. Whew, brought my own coffee. All right, let's see if it's still hot because I could use a hot drink right now. Super hot.
If you don't get snow in it.
If I don't get, yeah, it's cooling off. It's like whipped cream on top of it. we're gonna just hop back in, put the toboggan back in. We're gonna go explore a little bit more around this area and see if we can find a bit of a steeper hill for the set up a toboggan run on. All right, let's go. I'm gonna dry your stuff off. We'll just crank the defogger up and dry your gear off here. Let's get going. River, this was that lake we just came across a minute ago, and now we can barely even see the road we're driving on. You know, you can't see anything out here. It's not just a white screen that's out my window, and the snow is just really coming down. Well, that was fun. What do you think of that? Fun? 1 thumb, 2 thumbs?
You only earned 1 because the only way that I can give you another thumbs up if we find a big hill. That's the only way to give you another thumbs
All right.
up.
We gotta get 2 thumbs up then, right? So we need to find a hill.
You need to find a really good hill, and then I'll give you your 2 thumbs up.
Sounds like a deal to me. This is a trail. This might be a lot of winching.
Yeah.
We found a small hill that Maddie's gonna try out with the toboggan. See if I can get 2 thumbs up from her for the day. Because I was only getting 1 thumbs up for finding snow. What do you think, Mads?
Yeah.
I think part of tobogganing is taking your own toboggan up the hill. Isn't that how it works? 1, go! Whoa! Nice, there you go! How was that? Was that good?
I guess.
All right, I think that makes for a successful day. What do you think, Maddie? 2 thumbs up? Yeah, Maddie's just cleaning the snow off. Lots going on in 2020, guys. I will do an update video shortly. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week in the next upload.